How's it, guys? Welcome to another video of May 81. Hope you're all okay, doing okay on this lovely day. Today, here behind me we have a B, as you can see, it's a B18 VTEC. Of course, currently wired on dictator management. This is the car that I wired up. Client said he was driving and the car just died under his foot. So we're gonna check what's going on with this B18 VTEC. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna do some fuse checking. We're gonna check 3 fuses. We're gonna check the SRS fuse. We're gonna check this fuel pump unit fuse. We're gonna check alternator sensor fuse, and then I'm going to check the ignition coil fuse as well. That one's over there. Yeah. Ignition coil fuse. Is good. Okay, so then I'm gonna check the fuel pump. SRS fuse. Looks good. Then I'm gonna go up to my SRS fuse over there. Is good. I wanna check my ignition coil. We'll check that one maybe. Alternator sensor. So now that we check all that, we have that out of the way and move on to the next thing. After checking the fuse, I would like to see if the management is pulsing when I swing it. Okay, so we are getting a pulse on the management, which is a very good sign. One more check I would like to do. Where's my test light? Where's it? Where's it? Oh, yes. Okay, just give me some ignition there quickly, JC. Ignition on. Okay, this yellow and black wire over here is normally a power wire. So if I put this test light on there, I should get a positive feed. So let me just test my test light quickly. See if my earth is correct and it's working and all that. Let's just have a look. Okay, my test light is working. JC, hit it for us. Ooh, we're not getting power over there. Let me check on this wire by our distributor as well. Hit me up, Jace. Okay, we don't have power. So now we go to the next best thing. Okay. So I'm gonna have to remove this cover over here. Let's lose that side already. So I don't know if you guys notice over here we have the alarm plug. You can see these 2 wires are already cut off. So what I did was I saw this orange thick, yellow and black wires coming in there, and I saw this thick yellow and black wire as well, which I know is power for my car. So if I test this light over here, if I test that wire, I would get power. But the minute I test this light this wire over here, sorry about that, I don't get power, you see. So what I did was, this is my wires that's leading to my alarm box. You see, it's like leading to my alarm box, or whatever alarm was or was going to be in here. So what I did was I just snapped these 2 wires off, and I kind of bridged it out like that. Somewhere in the alarm, I don't see any alarm in here, but I see there was an interference in between that wire. So let me just test this one again to see what we get. And we have power now. Just put my ignition on. Okay, we have power on that side. And we have power on that side. Alright, let's go ahead and swing, JC, and see what's happening. Oh wait, before we swing, I would like to come back here now. Alright, coming back here to the front now, after we have connected our wires together and we confirmed that it is power on both lines. I'm going to check this one over here again. JC, go for it. Okay, we're getting power over there now. Off and on. Just hold on. Let me check this side here. Right, go for it. Okay, we're getting power there as well. JC, do me a favor, my friend. Swing this car and see what happens. Ooh, I love it. That's how we do it at Mad 021. That's how we do it at Mad 021. Okay, we have JC putting back the airbox now. Topped up the radiator. She's idling perfect. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Feel what it feels like. Basically just came in because the car died under the client's foot, so the tune is not out, anything like that. So the car should be driving normal still. So yeah, we will test it, see what it does. We'll keep you guys up to date. Okay, we're gonna do a small pull for you guys. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy.
Hope I'm ready.
Being towed in, doing a few fault findings. We managed to get the car started. We test drove it. Now the car seems to be driving 100%. Pretty sure the client will be happy. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe for some more content, and we'll see you soon.